Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Visa Harmony. Today I want to talk about the estimated cost for filing for an immigrant petition. With Visa Harmony, we provide free guides and tips to make your U.S. visa and immigration processing as smooth as possible. We also provide assistance with certain U.S. petitions and immigration applications. We have first-hand experience. I am an immigrant myself. I came to the USA on a K-1 visa in 2013, went through the entire U.S. immigration process. First the fiancé petition, then the adjustment of status, removal of conditions, and I became a naturalized U.S. citizen in 2017. I will leave our contact information below. An immigrant petition is the petition you file for spouse, child, stepchild, parent, or sibling. Basically, any petition application you file using the form I-130. Aside from the filing fee, there are a few more fees and different steps within the whole immigrant petition process. There was an increase in USCIS filing fees in April 2024. Currently, the Form I-130 filing fee is $625 if you are filing online and $675 if filing by mail. Once the petition is filed, it will take several months to years for the petition to get approved, depending on who the beneficiary is. Once the petition is approved, the case will be sent to the National Visa Center or NVC for the next step in the process. During the NVC stage, there are two fees that you will have to pay. $120 for the Affidavit of Support fee and $325 for the Immigrant Visa fee or the IV fee. These fees did not change and were not affected by the USCIS update in fees in April. Once the NVC processing is completed and the case is documentarily qualified or DQ, the beneficiary will need to wait until the U.S. Embassy receives the case. Then the interview can be scheduled either by U.S. Embassy or the beneficiary. Processing is case-to-case basis and the process depends on the U.S. Embassy. Once the interview is scheduled, the beneficiary will need to undergo and complete the medical exam before the interview. Processing is different per country, so you will need to check on the U.S. Embassy website for the specific details on where to go for medical and how to pay for the fees. Medical usually costs about $300 and it is usually paid in foreign currency, so exact amount will vary depending on the exchange rate. If the beneficiary lives far from the U.S. Embassy, you need to take into account travel expenses to the clinic and the U.S. Embassy. This could include flight and hotel costs. There might be some minor expenses for visa delivery and requesting for civil documents like birth certificate or police clearance. Again, it will depend per country. Once the beneficiary receives the immigrant visa, there is another fee called the immigrant fee for the green card. This is currently at $235. This also has increased since April. I will link below where to pay that online. Flight expenses to the USA varies. So let's estimate how much it will cost to file for an immigrant fee from start to finish until the beneficiary arrives in the USA and receives the green card. We have the petition filing fee. Let's say you filed online, so we'll put it at $625. Affidavit of Support fee, immigrant visa fee, medical. Let's say, for example, the beneficiary lives in the city where the U.S. Embassy is and there will be no travel expenses. We have the cost at $0. Then the visa delivery and civil documents. Let's put them at $50. The immigrant fee for the green card. Flight to the USA, that's estimated at $1,500. That's over $3,000 that you need to prepare. There you have it. The estimated cost of filing for an immigrant petition from start to finish until the beneficiary arrives in the USA and receives the green card is about $3,155. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions on this topic, please post them in the comment section below or send us an email at ask@visaharmony.com. Thank you and see you next time.